Guys, before I start the video, I just want to say subscribe and hit the notification button. That will make up my day. And also like if you want to see Shinx evolve to his next station. Without saying, let's continue and let's start the beat. Welcome back, guys, to another video, another crazy one. I'm back here. Took a long time to get here. We're back doing Can You Beat Pokemon Sword and Shield using only dog Pokemon. In the last episode, if you don't remember, we actually transfer our two dogs, Rockruff and Shinx, and then we capture Zigzagoon and Yamper, and now we're here in this part and we're having another battle. Let's see how it goes. Okay, are you ready, battle? Okay. Hop, what? Oh goodness, no! The whole thing is still full of questions. I hope that my granddaughter will take over my search, but dear, I'm sorry, I didn't even notice my guests. My name is Magaloni. Welcome, young trainers. Now come, let's head indoors. Why, Hop dear, I see Wooloo, he's made some new friends. And you must be in new games. I trust you received the Pokédex from Sonia. I'm sure you'll have it complete in no time. No, because we only can capture dog Pokemon. You must already know about Dynamaxing, right? Professor Magnolia has been doing research into the Dynamax function for years and years. And it takes a proper understanding of the things if you plan to use Dynamax to the fullest. I'm just gonna skip all this part talking. Guys, I didn't tell you, but I'm gonna mix this with a randomizer. If one of my dog Pokemons, so yeah, it's gonna be a randomizer 2 and hopefully no dogs die soon. If I remember, yes, a battle with a Hop. Okay, I'm ready. And to do that, I need an interminate take part in gym challenges. Come at me. Okay. Let's see the battle. I don't want to lose any of my 4 dog Pokemons because I don't have any almost. Hop. Oh, that's a lot of damage. Guys, you might think I'm over level 9 versus level 4. I started with a level 1 and a crit. Guys. Screwballing. Am I gonna risk it? Yeah. I don't have any water dog Pokemon because I'm pretty sure there's not even a. Why did I choose Sable? This is bad. I don't know the reason. Oh no, that's big damage. That's nothing. Oh, but we can paralyze. Please. I know, we don't get a full paralyzed. That's big damage. Almost to the yellow zone. Can I do another one? Let's see how it goes. Please. No? Yes! Fully paralyzed. Please do not kill Yamper. We're dead. No. Wait, we aren't. This is gonna be a little bit of strange. No! Yamper! No, it's the first episode of the last one. No. There goes one. That doesn't kill. I'm not gonna do it again. Yeah. Tackle to finish it up. And we won the battle. But we lost Jumper. That's bad. Oh wait! He still has another Pokemon I forgot about. I already lost one. Are you kidding me? You have another one. Please do not kill Shinx. I knew it. I knew it and it was super effective. Pack. That doesn't do anything. One shot! One move KO! KO that rocket. And that's how we win a battle. And also guys, I didn't mention I can only use one item per fight. So yeah, this is gonna be difficult. Here we go. And finally the Gentleman's tank is out. There we go, the Gentleman's tank. Yeah. Well guys, the Jumper, even though ours is dead. Guys, now for the sad part. Jumper, little buddy, you work so hard. You almost caught that Scribblenauts to 1 HP, but you couldn't take any more hits. I'm going to sacrifice you, sorry. Goodbye. Well guys, that is it for today's episode. If you wanna see another part, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And without saying guys, see you in the next one. See you when we're back in part 5 in 2 days or 3 it will come out. I will be working on it and stay tuned. Tomorrow I will upload another amazing video, probably not about Pokemon, so subscribe if you wanna see that. Without saying guys, see you in the next one.